here to show you how you can make your bike sound like a dirt bike. First, you need to take a can of soda. This is new. It's Diet Dr. Pepper. I like that. Okay, either want to drink it or empty it into the grass. Just to empty it out. Alright, now what you're going to want to do, lay it down flat like that. Bring the camera over here. There it is. Okay. Then you're going to want to come over and go get a bike. Going to want to bring it over. Alright, watch it. And make sure you do this right or you'll need to get a whole nother can. You just ride right over it. You have a beautiful final result. It will sound like a dirt bike. And as you can see, it's pretty cool. It's really loud once you start getting going, but it's really worth it. Just try not to wake people up. And that's that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Rate this. Give it good ratings. Be awesome.